Hey there, welcome to Numerade. So we are given a normal population here, given the population mean and standard deviation, and we're asked to find the following proportions and probabilities. So what we have here is our population mean as 47 and our population standard deviation as 3. So knowing that, 47 and 3, we're looking for the probability that x is between 40 and 50. So we can split this probability into two parts. So what we have here is the probability that x is less than 50 minus the probability that x is